It's day 2 of our Crestone adventure, and we are going into town today. Can't wait to show you around. There's the wildlife. Good morning. We've been fighting with the camera for the last few minutes.
Trying to both hold at the same time. We're pulling back and forth right now. Okay, so let's start this morning off right.
Yeah, so we woke up early, like 6:30. You woke up what, 5:30?
Yeah, I got to bed about 5:30, yeah.
So I woke up at 6:30 and it was still dark, so it gave us a chance to set up our cameras and try to do a time lapse.
What do you got going on here, Anna?
I'm getting ready to shoot up an interval time lapse of the sunrise. I have my Skywalk app that was helping me figure out where the sun position comes up. So I try to angle my camera more or less in that general direction, and we'll see what happens. Fun. The sunrise wasn't very exciting, so I don't know if there'll be a time lapse in here somewhere, probably not. But I did zoom in on one of these peaks back here as the clouds were kind of coming over, so maybe you'll see a little bit of that.
So we had a little breakfast afterwards.
Burritos from Bonfire.
Oh yeah, I didn't record anything from Bonfire.
Doesn't matter.
Okay, anyway, we had breakfast. We had burritos from Bonfire. I made the mistake of ordering burritos and picking them up at lunchtime.
So they were lunch burritos.
But they were delicious.
Nonetheless, very delicious and very filling.
Oh yeah, I think they were more filling than breakfast ones.
Oh, sorry guys.
Yeah. So,
arms getting tired.
So our plan is to
go to Crestone.
Pretty much we're gonna head into the town of Crestone today. We'll take you along with us.
Yep.
Check out some shops. I think we're gonna get some coffee.
Yes.
They'll be getting some coffee, not me.
Yes.
And what else?
I don't really know.
We're just gonna take you along, go shopping.
Just figure out, just kind of have a good day.
Yeah, and when we get down to Crestone itself, we will give you some facts about the city of Crestone.
Yep.
Cool, let's take you along with us.
Whee!
Ooh.
Oh, my parents are ready.
Ooh.
Tiny dog is gonna guilt me the whole way out.
Our first stop is the Elephant Cloud Market. It's a little grocery store here that has some gas, and on the other side you can get some coffee. So let's go on inside and see what they have. One of the things I absolutely love about being here is how friendly the people are. I've had 2 people walk up to me just out of the blue and say, "Good morning, how are you doing?" They held the door for me. It was pretty amazing. So I think after this, Anna's interested in getting some coffee. So we'll probably pop over there and get some coffee, at least at some point today. Okay, let's keep on going. So this place has a bunch of sandwiches. They've got a bunch of coffee. They got some breakfast burritos. They have some breakfast items, not just burritos, but they've got a bunch of breakfast items, coffee. They got smoothies, juices, pretty much anything you want to drink or eat for breakfast. They've got it here. We've eaten here a bunch of times and it's absolutely fantastic. And then right behind me, they've got a place where local artists will come and they'll do a Friday or Saturday night thing where they'll play a bunch of music.
You ready? We're gonna go look for a specific gallery. Let's see if it's open. Well, it's supposed to be in there somewhere, so I don't know if it's that group of buildings.
We're currently hunting for an art gallery. So we were at the cafe place, the Cloud Cafe, and Anna saw some of the work on the walls and absolutely loved it. So now we're looking for a place to see if we can find it. And we're just kind of cruising around Crestone, taking a look at it. It's pretty awesome.
right, Adam. What are we doing tomorrow?
We're hiking the Willow Trail tomorrow. And that'll also be in tomorrow's vlog instead, or I guess next Sunday's vlog.
Yep.
That'll be us tomorrow. 10
Woohoo.
miles, 3,000 feet of elevation change.
An alleged 3 miles. It's probably gonna be like closer to 12 or 13.
Sorry, what did I say, 3 miles?
No, you said 10.
Oh, 10 miles, 3,000 feet of elevation change.
Yep.
Probably like closer to 12 though, as Anna was saying.
Yep.
But that'll be next week's vlog. Last time we were here, we ate at that place right across the street. It's called Food is Art, right there. And it's really cool because inside all the walls are decorated. It has a ton of artwork and the food is actually really delicious. So if you're looking for a place to eat, our Food is Art, check it out. Right now it looks like it's closed, but it's also 11 o'clock, so they may open up a little bit later. We're gonna continue exploring and seeing what we find. Oh, one more thing, on Saturdays they have a market. They close off like the main street. You can walk up and down, they've got a bunch of little stalls you can go check out, and a bunch of people just selling things like from art types things to clothing to food. And we did it last year, unfortunately missed it yesterday, but it is absolutely amazing. If you're here, check it out on Saturdays. Cool, now we can go do some more exploring. As we're walking around, I'm literally just walking through the middle of a street right now, but they've got the Museum and Welcome Center, which is actually behind me right now. Let me turn around. They got the Museum and Welcome Center. It tells us a little bit of history about this place. This was a small area that went through a little bit of a mining boom. A bunch of people came out here to start looking for ore. But once they got here, they found that it took more money to mine the ore than the actual ore making off the ore. So kind of like this had little boom mining town that collapsed, and then people kind of just stayed here and just really just enjoyed the area. Let's go check out the old hardware store. And as we're walking over there, Anna's parents are gonna go check out the stupa and temples tomorrow. We won't have any of that footage because we're gonna go hiking, but they're gonna go check them out. We went to it last time. I'll ask Anna if she's got any pictures and we'll put them in here. We'll insert it right now. But they are absolutely amazing. The views are gorgeous and the energy just feels so nice when you get up there. But anyway, here's the hardware store. There you go. I find it a little bit ironic because right across the street from those is this nice lovely park with an electric charging station. So a little bit of the mix with the old school, a little bit of history, mixed with a little bit of new school. But this park is right here in the middle. They've got some shops on this side you can go check out, like a thrift shop that Anna and her family walked into last time they're here. I don't know if they'll do it this time. But they've got a little park for dogs, hang out. I went up reading here last time. So Anna's family does a bunch of shopping because I'm not a big shopping person. I'll typically bring like a book with me, like on my tablet, and I'll sit there and just read it while I go and check different things out. Or vlog and walk around and tell you what's going on in Crestone. Okay, I'm gonna head back over to Anna's parents now.
There's an art gallery that I'm looking for that I'm not having very much luck. So I'm meandering around Crestone hoping that I can find it and that it's open. Well, I never found it. She made most space art space. But I am here just enjoying the view. Because it's spectacular. Alright, let's go find the rest of my family.
You can see it, but this door's got the googly eyes on it. It's really funny. I just love walking around here. There's so much like unique, creative things that are here. It's so much fun and unexpected things that happen. What are your thoughts, love?
Just looking at the mountains. They're just so beautiful. They're mesmerizing. That's all.
It'd be amazing to wake up to this every day. So that's Willow Trail. That's where we're going up and potentially over tomorrow. So it's gonna be intense, but a lot of fun though. Kids, get out here and be some nature. Recharge our batteries. She's recharging her son right now, her son batteries.
I was just looking.
See? Recharging the batteries. So we just ran into a guy running the other side here. They're building this unit here, this tiny house. This is gonna be a 2-unit tiny house. So they're gonna split it down the middle. It's like half is gonna be one side, half is gonna be the other side. And there's a common bathroom in the middle with 2 bathrooms.
Which is really cool, and what I really, really like, it has a foundation versus being on wheels so that your pipes don't freeze in the wintertime, which is something that was a concern of mine in a
Always
tiny
concern.
house.
Yeah, always a concern. But that looks really awesome. It looks like a really good size too.
Yeah, it's super cute.
We can kind of end the town tour, but I think we're gonna get some lunch after this.
I think we're gonna go find that crystal shop.
Ooh, we're gonna find a crystal shop.
Potentially.
Then get some lunch.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go in here. Sorry, I already walked in and then I forgot to record a video because that's exactly how I roll. I get distracted. So here we go. Here's the wildlife.
Anna's inside the gem store, and I'm sitting out here getting the drone ready. I'm thinking I'm gonna go for a flight or not. And right across the street, there's a family of deer right there. How crazy is that?
Success. All right, it's time for lunch.
Ooh, we're going to the place called the Mystic Rose Cafe.
It smells good.
They had breakfast burrito.
That's funny. Show me your Scorpio. Scorpio for the Scorpio lady.
There. Okay, let's see. Adam, come here. You're hungry. Mira, y la muerte mexicana.
So the rule is that you order up front and then you have a seat.
We went to the UFO Watchtower 2 years ago. I'll drop some pictures, and I took a bunch of pictures there. And it was really spectacular. If you're here, definitely check out the UFO Watchtower.
And you can camp there.
Oh yeah, you can camp there. I probably should stand this way because the light's actually coming this way. But you can totally camp there. It's a lot of fun. You kind of walk up on this little like metal structure. You can check out the mountains. It's great.
And you get really beautiful mountain views.
Oh, we're ordering. Hello.
The apple pecan salad, turkey club.
The Willow Lake breakfast, the 2 scrambled eggs, bacon, and then rye. I'll go with the Mystic Creation.
We just finished having some lunch
Ooh, yeah.
and it was pretty tasty. And now we're gonna go back to the Elephant Cloud Market that we've been to like 10 times today.
Yeah, so it'll be like at least the 4th time.
So I'm gonna pick up some decaf coffee because I left my grounds at home, and a little bit of milk because my dad forgot milk. And then we're gonna go back to our Airbnb and have a nice cup of coffee.
Yeah, probably hang out there for the rest of the afternoon.
Yep. Cool. And say hi to Tiny Dog.
Oh yeah, she was guilt tripping us so much on the way leaving.
Insert clip.
Yeah, seriously. But anyway, cool. We'll see you back.
Yep.
At the place, so I'll turn it this way. Bye. One of the things we did last night and this night is watch the sunset from the front of the house. And we've got just an absolutely fantastic view. And Anna's got her little camera set up over here, doing the time lapse. And then she's got her big paparazzi lens right over there. She looks much further than she actually is, but she's probably like 40 feet from me, taking pictures of these pretty mountains. They're starting to turn orange right now. Consequently, dinner winds up not being till like 8 o'clock at night because by the time the sun set, then the stars start coming out and we've got a dark sky. And it's absolutely amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna grab Anna's parents, but unfortunately dinner's been pushed back. It keeps getting pushed back because it's so gorgeous out here. So we'll grab Anna's parents and go show them. Are you interested in seeing the beautifulness outside? It's nice and red. Ooh, the moon's out already. You can see the moon right over there. You see the little crescent of it? Oh, if I pointed at the right thing on the GoPro, it's hard to see on the screen here. The colors are gorgeous. Especially because we're here. hope you enjoyed the vlog today.
Itchy. Okay, wait. My hair is getting tired.
Your hair is getting tired?
It just gets to the point where it's been in a bun all day and it just gets a little itchy in the roots.
If you know what hair getting tired means, please let me know in the comments because I have no idea.
It's that feeling, you know, when you go snowboarding and you take your hat off, you take the sock off and you're like, ugh, like that.
Okay. Then don't let me know in the comments below because apparently I know now it's when your hair gets tired. Ready to wrap this up? Okay. It's been a long day, but it's been a fun day.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, because you're talking, so I was just agreeing.
We had a lot of fun exploring the town of Crestone. It's not a huge town, but there's a lot of little shops, little artsy places you can go check out. So if you're into that, totally go check it out. It's a lot of fun.
And I think because it was Sunday, a few of the places were closed, and we haven't been here since before Corona, so there wasn't a ton of things that were open. But I know that like Saturdays, they have like a Saturday market. I just don't know if it's year round or certain seasons.
Because we were here in what, 2019?
Yeah, May
of 2019, and the market was just, it filled like that main block.
Yeah.
They had food, they had dance or music, arts, clothing, shops. It was so much fun.
Yeah, it was really, really great. So this time around that we've been here, we haven't visited some of the places that maybe you're looking to see in this vlog, which would be both the Stupas, which we did last time, pictures, and the ziggurat, which we haven't actually seen ourselves, but we will at some point. We are not doing the Great Sand Dunes this time around, maybe next time, because tomorrow we're going on a very long hike.
Yeah, so we're gonna be hiking the Willow Lake Trail.
And it's probably gonna be like 12 miles.
Yeah, with its 2,805 feet of elevation change. And most of that happens in the first mile and a half.
Oh, so it sounds like going to Grizzly Peak.
Yeah, exactly.
Which was very hard.
Grizzly Peak's one of those peaks that we did before we started the vlog.
It looked way easier from the highway than in person, just so you know.
Basically.
Does it really happen in the first mile?
That's what I saw like when when I was reading through the comments on all trails. They said the first mile and a half is the steepest, and then they go to switchbacks after that.
Well, that's when your legs are the freshest.
Exactly. But all of that is going to happen in the next vlog, not this one, because we're wrapping this one up for the night. We want to give you a tour of Crestone, show you some of the shops. I think the Cloud Market, Elephant Market.
The Elephant Cloud Market is like the heartbeat of the whole town.
Yeah, definitely.
It's a very small town.
And we're pretty sure like all the food that we ate this entire weekend
was sponsored by them.
There's like the same salad everywhere.
So anyways, just hit that subscribe button. I'm not even gonna say if you liked it. Just hit subscribe, hit that thumbs up, share with your friends.
And all that good stuff, we really appreciate it. And if you're interested in knowing what vlogs we have coming out, follow us on Instagram. We'll release a new video on either Thursday or Friday, like a little preview video. And then like tomorrow we're going hiking. If you follow us on Instagram, we'll be posting things live as we have internet connectivity. Tomorrow or not. So she'll be doing a lot of posting when we're eating pizza tomorrow night.
Yes, and thank you so much for tagging along, and we'll see you on the next one.
Good night.
Oh, and buy a print.
Oh yeah. So Anna's got a print shop. If you loved any of the prints that she has from this vlog, any of the past vlogs, check out the print shop. It'll be in the description below. And we'll love you for it. Help us sponsor more events like this, more activities like this. I'm too tired for this.
It's bedtime. Good night.
Good night.